Okay, hi guys. My name is Beggy, founder of BFXT Pro. So BFXT Pro Hambanami. Hambanami is a concept that says walk with me. So meaning let's walk this journey together. Let's break down the market together. So I'm going to be showing you how I actually analyze the market, and yeah, how you can easily break down the market, how you can trade for yourself, or how you can grow. I hope you enjoy this lesson. Lesson number 2 is gonna come after. This is just going to be a very short lesson in terms of your market structure. That's the topic I want us to start with, which is in market structure. So once we start with the market structure, we will be able to break down everything. Please do not hesitate to press the like button, and also press the subscribe button, so that you can be updated in terms of Hambanami and how you can grow in the market. So we are all about growth. We are all about changing the narrative, and how people view the market, and that you can also be profitable on your own by just analyzing or creating or developing an edge or a strategy for yourself that works for you. Because as humans, we are different, and the market is all about a human behavior, or about us basically. So yeah, let us begin. So we are firstly going to start with market structure. And so when we're talking about market structure, we are not just talking about the market breaking higher highs or breaking lower lows, being an uptrend or downtrend. But in this case, we are going to define a market structure differently, and I'm going to show you how you can actually take advantage of that. Ne? So in terms of market structure, I think it is important to not only um, know what to not only know higher highs, lower lows, or just market structure, but to understand what makes that market, or what makes up the market. That market that you are trading there, what makes it the market, or what who is involved in this case. Also, who are the participants that are involved. Well, you need to know the time. When is that market opening? When is it closing? When is it the most volatile? When is it safe to trade? Is it risky or is it not risky? So the market comes with a risk. I also want to put a disclaimer that here I'm not putting financial advice and all that, but rather teaching you, or rather for educational purposes. Ne? So you also need to understand in terms of chart structure. Is it bearish and all that? So when you want to understand what makes the market, you also need to understand it's this market affects what affects this market, what's involved. Are there any fundamentals? Should I wake up one day, I wake up, the market made this big move that I don't understand? What could cause such a move? You see, things like that. So in this series, we are going to be discussing such things. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you learn a lot. And we are going to keep it simple so that you do not get confused, even if you are a basic or a beginner, someone who's still learning forex from the start. I hope you enjoy this series. Ne? So if you're still enjoying forex, I'm going to keep it simple and make it simple as much as possible for you to understand. Ne? So for now, the topic I want us to focus on the candlestick, since we are trading the candlestick market. We need to understand that candlestick, what forms it, and all that. We need to understand everything that's involved with that candlestick. Ne? So let's go again now. A candlestick is something that looks like this. Ne? This in this case, since it's green, not that since it's green, because you can also make it black, you can also make it blue, you can also make it the color of your own choice, as long as you understand what type of a candle is this. So in this case, this is a bullish candlestick. So a bullish candlestick indicates an uptrending market, or the market that is of a buying, or they are in long positions, if what we can say with that. So that market, we have prices on the side. We have what we call prices. So these prices what determines the market or the asset of that particular market or of that particular asset class, or even if you're in the forex market, let's say for example the dollar against the rand trading at whatever, maybe at 15 rand, those prices. So it's us understanding if are we at lower prices or higher prices. So I want you to treat the market as a business. The moment you treat it as a business, that's where your profitability is going to start to come in, because emotions won't be involved, but you'd understand that this is a business, and this business entails also a risk. So the concepts in the market, what they will say is buy low and sell high. Yeah, well, so it's a simple business concept that say if I buy products or buy goods at a low price, I'm going to be able to sell them at a high price and be profitable. So something like that, we can say it's something like that, just to keep it simple. Yeah, well, so that you do not get confused. So in this case, we are doing the same in the market. We are buying at low prices so that we can anticipate or forecast the direction of the market, if it's going to be bullish or it's going to be bearish. Ne? And then here, if it's at its highest high prices, are there any orders at the higher prices and all that, or are there any orders at low prices? We are still going to discuss that. Ne? So for now, we're keeping it simple and basics. So I need you to understand that in a candlestick, we have a low, which is the low of this week, the low price, and then we also have the high, which is the high price. What else do we have in a candlestick? Another thing that we have in a candlestick is an opening and a closing. That is the time frame. Ne? So when did that candle open? So we have different types of time frames. Ne? We have the monthly time frame, we have the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute, 60 seconds, 30 seconds, 5 seconds, and all that, depending on where you will be trading. You are able to choose the time frame, and also there are different types of traders within these time frames. Ne? So let's say, for example, if we assume that this is a daily candle, it will mean that this candle opens at midnight when the new day starts, and then it's going to close at midnight again when the new day closes. Let's say, for example, today, if this is a weekly candle, let's say today, since today is a Friday, we have an opening price, and then this opening price started from Monday, and then it's going to close on Friday. That's where the candle closes. So within or inside these candles, there are candles that are inside, which are daily candles, which are 5 daily candles, and then 4-hour candles. Also, we also have 1-hour candles inside it. Yeah, so you can be able to create opportunities in order for you to create profitability within yourself. So you need to understand, if a candle is like this, and you sure the reason we are talking about market structure, it is for you, or it is for me to help you to determine the direction of the market, or as to is the market either bullish or bearish. That's what market structure helps us with. We are still going to discuss more about it. Ne? So on the next lesson, also please stay tuned, or do check it out. Ne? Just click the subscribe button and the notifications. You will see when I upload. Yes. Then let's say, for example, now the next candle comes and then it's bullish again. So since the next candle comes and then becomes bullish like this, it means that now this market will be, or rather the buyers are still holding the direction or the momentum. Currently, we have a buying power. The big momentum that we have, or the liquidity that we have, is in the buy side of the market, because that buy has broken a previous high. So since it has broken this previous high like this here, since it has broken this previous high and couldn't break this previous low, it means now the new trading range that will be trading within is from this low and this high. So which means that since they were able to break this, guys, take out any seller that was here and then now move above, it means that the market now will be on the bullish side of the market. Okay, so that's how I want us to look at the market. I hope we enjoy. So yeah, this is just the first lesson. Please do watch and please do check out the next lesson. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, guys. It's Hambanami. Yeah.